In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to walk through how to use find and replace with regular expressions in Google Sheets so you can make precise, efficient edits across your data. Start by opening Google Sheets and going to the spreadsheet you want to work in. At the top, look for the Edit menu in the toolbar and click it. From the drop-down that appears, choose Find and Replace. This opens a dialog box that will handle all your search and replace work. In the dialog, you'll see a field labeled Find. This is where you'll type your regular expression, or regex for short. A regex is a powerful pattern that can match flexible text, like all numbers, certain date formats, or text that follows a particular structure. For example, you might use a pattern to find cells that contain only digits, or to capture a specific part of a string. Type your pattern carefully and consider starting with something simple so you can confirm it finds what you expect. Next, move to the Replace with field. This is the text that will replace anything that matches your pattern. If you're using capturing groups in your regex, you can reference them here, such as with $1, to reinsert parts of the original match in a new format. This is handy for reordering names, adjusting codes, or standardizing formats while preserving key details. Before you perform the replacement, check the box labeled Search using regular expressions. This tells Google Sheets to treat what you typed in the Find field as a regex pattern, not plain text. If this box isn't checked, your pattern will be taken literally and won't behave like a regex. When you're ready, you have two choices for applying changes. Click Replace to review and apply changes one match at a time, which is safer when you're working with important data. Or click Replace All to apply the change everywhere the pattern is found in the selected scope. If you're unsure about the scope, use the Search drop-down in the dialog to limit the operation to a specific range, the current sheet or all sheets. You can also adjust options like Match Case or Match Entire Cell Contents if needed. If anything looks off after a replacement, remember you can undo immediately. That way, you can adjust your pattern and try again with confidence. And that's it. Clear, controlled updates using regex in Google Sheets done the right way.